Hi, all you cool cats. All right, it's time for math. So I want you to grab your red math writing journal and get it open to the right page and your math chapter 8 open and to the right page, and that page is 542, and be ready for me. So push pause and go get those things. Go. Okay, awesome. Red journal first. And here's the first thing I want you to do. I want you to write the number 5 in 5 ways. Push pause. Okay, so here's 5 ways that I chose. I did 3 plus 2, 10 minus 5. I did word form, 5. I wrote 5 ones, 5 like the dice, and I did 5 in a 10 frame. Did you come up with all those, or did you come up with some different ones? Okay, so the next thing in your journal that I want you to do is to write a number with 5 in the hundreds place. Go. Okay. I wrote 3 numbers with 5 in the hundreds place. I chose 500, 524, and 576. How'd you do? Did you get the 5 in the hundreds place? Okay, so now we are going to work in our math book. And so your question of the day is, how can you use an inch model to measure length? So you have a ruler, but there are also other things that can be used as inches, like the sheet that I gave you from 1 to 20, those little squares could also be like inches. So on page 542, the pink bar at the top says, a color tile is about 1 inch long. About how many inches long is this string? Take a minute and count it. The string is 4 color tiles long. So the string is about 4 inches long. Use your color tiles, which you don't have. So use the number strip. You'll have to cut it out around the edges. Leave it in strips. Use the color tiles. Measure the length of the objects in inches. And you'll just lay your strip. Here, I'll use something weird. Since I don't have a ruler, I gave you guys all my rulers, but Betty just happens to have this fancy thing here. So if you have a string this long, then you take your little color tile edge, and you can't just do it in the middle, it's too hard, so you go to the end of it. You want to start like that and measure across. So your color tiles, your paper tiles, will actually look, it'll be long because it has a 1, 4, 5, 6, 7, right, like this. That's your color, that's your tile strip. So if it goes to here, which it'll be perfect, it won't be halves, then you would say that your string length, if it ends right here, it's 6. Okay, so go ahead and fill that page out. I know you can do it. Your parents can help you. I know you can. And then do the next page, the on your own page. And on your packet, I'm also asking you to do page 544, and it's a tough one. Do your best. Have someone read it to you if you get stuck. Number 11 has the what's that called? The QR code. If you have something that can read that little QR code will have Math on the Spot Tutor, and she'll be able to teach you everything you need to know about how to solve that math problem. Okay? All right. That's it. Happy math. Get to work. See you soon.